This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fruit salad ice cream at home. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. For the fruit, select about 2 cups of your favorite fresh, ripe options like strawberries, blueberries, and mango. Make sure your ice cream maker bowl is thoroughly pre-frozen. Now, let's prepare the fruit. Wash and dry all your fresh fruit thoroughly. For larger fruits like strawberries or mango, dice them into small, bite-sized pieces, roughly 1/4 to 1/2 inch. Smaller fruits like blueberries can be left whole. Gently combine all the prepared fruit in a bowl. This ensures an uniform distribution of fruity goodness throughout your ice cream. Set this vibrant mix aside for a moment. Next, we'll create the creamy base for our ice cream. In a large bowl, whisk together the 2 cups of heavy cream and 1 cup of whole milk. Gradually add the 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, stirring continuously until it completely dissolves. Then, stir in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This mixture needs to be well chilled before churning, so cover it and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes or even longer. Finally, it's time to churn and freeze your delicious creation. Pour the thoroughly chilled cream mixture into your pre-frozen ice cream maker bowl. Churn it according to your machine's specific instructions, which typically takes about 20 to 25 minutes until it reaches a soft serve consistency. During the last 5 minutes of churning, gently fold in your prepared fresh fruit. Transfer the ice cream to an airtight container and freeze for at least 4 hours to firm up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.